Today I'd like to show you this very pretty toilet. I received it as a gift. And in this video, I'd like to show you what comes in the box and share my overall thoughts about it. Here's everything that we have included in the box. We have our positioning paper, we have user manual, all the necessary hardwares, mounting plate, wax ring, and a tube. And of course our very beautiful toilet. I really like how modern it looks. It is very nice and looks absolutely stunning. Let me show you the key features of it. So we have a soft close lid, so whenever you close it, it's gonna close down very smoothly and it's not gonna make any sound. Same goes for this one. It is soft close as well. So both of these things, they close very smoothly and without any sound. We have a built-in bidet, and if you twist it one side, it's gonna have a front wash. In the center, it's gonna be off, and the other opposite direction, it's gonna be a back wash. On the left side of the toilet, we have a flush button, and we have a half flush and a full flush. And a long press would do a full flush. We also have a flash button right here that you kick with your foot. I really like this foot flash option because this way you don't have to touch anything with your hands, so you don't touch other germs. So that's very nice. Overall, I think this is very nice toilet. I really like the simplicity of it. It works just as expected. Looks absolutely stunning in my bathroom. I really like it. Totally recommend it.